Affordable and economical, Pipistrel is proud to present the Alpha Trainer. Offering excellent fuel efficiency and a durable composite design, the Alpha Trainer can be operated from virtually anywhere. Whether you're a first-time aircraft owner, assembling a fleet, or running a flight school, the Light Sport Alpha Trainer from Pipistrel is a dynamic option. Affordable to acquire and economical to maintain. Let's take a look at the updates Pipistrel has made to the Alpha Trainer and the philosophy behind these developments. First, the new undercarriage design is made of state-of-the-art composite material, and it's beefed up for a maximum payload of nearly 500 pounds. The composite material is strong and durable, capable of dealing with the less-than-ideal landings made by some new student pilots. Additionally, it offers an empty weight that is 100 pounds less than most competitors' aircraft. The new nose gear leg is 2 inches shorter, which lowers the sight picture over the nose and improves visibility during taxiing. Propeller clearance is not sacrificed because the Pipistrel Alpha Trainer uses a smaller 63-inch diameter fixed-pitch propeller. The Pipistrel Alpha Trainer has a new 13.2-gallon fuel tank. That may not sound like much when you're talking about conventional aircraft, but the Alpha Trainer is not a conventional aircraft. In reality, 13.2 gallons is more than enough, mostly due to its lightweight and efficient design and a power plant that is miserly in terms of fuel burn. The aircraft has a range of about 380 miles with reserves, at normal cruise speeds of just under 110 knots. The aircraft can use as little as 2.5 gallons per hour in a flight school setting, with multiple students and instructors each day. This means that 13.2 gallons of fuel can effectively give you as much as 5 hours of endurance. The Pipistrel Alpha Trainer is fitted with the venerable Rotax 912 80 horsepower engine. This is an ideal choice for a training aircraft because it is smooth and reliable while remaining economical, with a 2,000-hour, 15-year time between overhauls. For added durability, Pipistrel supplies the Alpha Trainer with extra heavy-duty seat fabric, as well as wheel spats that can be removed from the aircraft. This means that it's nearly impossible for a student to cause wheel damage when getting in and out. And in the unlikely event of a puncture, the wheel can be replaced in around 2 minutes. These are just a few examples of how the Alpha Trainer was designed to keep you in the air generating revenue, instead of on the ground in the repair shop.
The electric-powered aircraft dramatically reduces both fuel consumption and the disruptive noise, especially when conducting training on smaller airfields closer to towns. The aircraft needs 150 meters takeoff run and can reach a maximum 1200 FPM climbing rate, which means it can climb 6 meters a second. The 60-kilowatt electric motor is powered by a 21 kilowatt-hours battery pack that provides 1 hour flying time with an extra 30 minutes in reserve. It's not enough for cross-country trips, but is perfect for covering short distances and ideal for those who want to learn flying. One of the biggest advantages of the Alpha Electro is that you have to spend just $3 to get a full charge, which is about 10 times less than for standard gasoline models, thus making flying more affordable than ever before. It can develop a top speed of 70 nautical miles per hour, which is equal to 80 miles per hour. The company says the Alpha Electro is optimized for traffic pattern operations, where 13% of energy is recuperated on every approach, increasing endurance and at the same time enabling short field landings. Pipistrel is also cooperating with Uber on the development of an electric vertical takeoff and landing for urban mobility, like the Airbus that already conducted the first successful test flight of its Vahana electric VTOL about 2 months ago. Electric motors turn out to be more efficient in converting energy into power, especially during takeoff, when the aircraft requires double the power that it requires in cruise. The main issue is related to the batteries that don't yet provide the necessary flying range to be enough for long-haul trips. But thanks to battery technology improvements, that issue might disappear very soon. It seems our environment will again be green and noise and pollution free to secure a clean and sustainable future. If you agree, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.